Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. It's a useful option if you want something more flexible alongside what I am reviewing today. Now in this video, I'm taking a look at the Gold Hacker EA. And to confirm right from the start, this EA is available for both MT4 and MT5, so you can run it on either platform without any issues. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace, and this is Gold Hacker EA by Amd Bedal Ziz Saberma. Right, I hope I pronounced that correctly. Okay, it's priced at 50 US dollars. The EA is priced at 50 US dollars, which is relatively affordable compared to many gold EAs. All right, from the description, this EA is built around a trend following concept, but with an added layer of what they describe as a recovery based risk management system. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Unlike traditional systems that rely strictly on stop loss, this EA emphasizes its ability to manage and recover losing positions based on market conditions. So that already suggests we are not dealing with a simple one entry, one exit system. There's likely some form of position management or trade layering happening behind the scenes. And it is designed for XAU USD, right, on the 1 hour time frame, which means we are looking at a slower, more structured trading style compared to scalping systems. Now let's just break down how this EA is structured on and what that really means. At its core, this EA combines trend following logic with a recovery mechanism. The trend following part is straightforward. It likely uses indicators or price structure to align trades with the dominant market direction. This is generally effective on gold, right? Especially during strong directional moves. But the recovery system is the key part here. Instead of closing a losing trade quickly with a stop loss, the EA appears to manage the position over time, adjusting exposure and waiting for the market to move back in its favor. The advantage of this approach is that it can reduce the frequency of realized losses because trades are not being caught immediately. However, the limitation is also important. This type of system can increase exposure during drawdown, especially if the market moves strongly against the initial position. So while it may recover losses in many cases, it relies heavily on the assumption that price will eventually retrace. Another feature here is the automatic lot sizing. All right. This means that the EA adjusts position size based on your account balance, which can help maintain consistency in risk. But again, it depends on how aggressively that scaling is handled. There's also mention of flexibility with spreads, even up to 30, right? Which suggests that the EA is not ultra sensitive to execution conditions. That usually aligns with longer duration trades rather than fast scalping. Now, overall, this is a system that prioritizes trade management and recovery over immediate loss cutting, which is a very different philosophy compared to fixed stop loss systems. All right, so let's move into the strategy tester and see how this EA actually behaves. I have already downloaded the free demo, so we are going to be heading over to my MT5 right now as I test the Gold Hacker EA on XAU USD using the H1 time frame. All right, the Gold Hacker XAU USD H1 time frame. Okay, and I'm running this from the start of the year, January 1, 2026. So we can capture different types of market conditions, both trending and ranging. Okay, because for a system like this, it's especially important to see how it handles drawdowns and recovery phases over time. So let's just go ahead and start this. All right, let me pause this here. We've got the first trade opening. If we take a closer look, this entry is clearly aligned with the current trend direction. You can see the trend is bearish right now, and this is a sell trade, right? So price has been moving consistently, and the EA enters after a continuation move rather than at the very beginning. So this confirms the trend following nature of the system. Now let's continue. Okay, so it keeps getting interesting. Price starts moving slightly against the position, but now we have another position executed, the buy position. Okay, so this suggests a controlled scaling or recovery mechanism where the EA builds positions as price moves away, expecting a retracement. Right, have a buy position here again. So this is not greed in the traditional sense, but it behaves similarly in terms of exposure buildup. Okay, so the EA is likely using a basket style exit where multiple positions are managed as a group and closed once overall profit is achieved. All right. So it seems like this system performs best in stable trending conditions. In strongly ranging or choppy conditions, risk definitely increases. Okay, so we are just going to skip to the end of this backtest so that we can go through the results to see how this EA performed over the space of a few months. All right. So in a moment now, we are going to have the results. Remember that these are just historical backtest results. Okay, the results are ready. All right. Now this is not looking good. We had an initial deposit 3,000 US dollars. Net profit was negative $3,867. So the account was blown, and we can see that the total trades taken were 20 trades, 10 trades were short, 20% win rate. Long trades were just 10, 30% win rate. And we can see the largest profitable trade was $23,094. And the largest losing trade was $10,418.48. Now, the average profit was $5,695.99, and the average losing trade was $2,156.48. Despite all this, we still had the account blown. All right. Now, remember that these are historical backtest results, so they give us an idea of how the EA has performed under these conditions. But it is important to understand that these results are not guaranteed. Performance will vary depending on risk settings, lot size, account size, broker execution, and overall market conditions. Also, because this EA uses a recovery based approach, it's especially important to test and optimize it carefully and understand the drawdown behavior before using it on a live account. So overall, Gold Hacker EA is a trend following system with a recovery based trade management approach. It performs well in trending markets where trades move in expected direction with minimal need for recovery. But in sideways or highly volatile conditions, it becomes more aggressive in managing positions, which can increase risk. The automatic lot sizing and flexible spread tolerance are useful features, but the core of this EA really comes down to how comfortable you are with recovery style trading. So if you understand that behavior and you manage your risk properly, this is definitely something worth testing further. Okay. Now, remember that past performance does not guarantee future results, and despite the fact that these results showed us a blown account, it does not necessarily mean that the EA cannot make some profits. Okay, but remember that trading is risky, and you should be very comfortable with an EA before you make any financial commitment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.